What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now guys, I am so excited to be doing this video with you guys. We'll be doing something that I haven't done in a while, and it's a curly hairstyle called loop rods. I have done loop rods in the past. It was probably a few months back, and they turned out phenomenal. I have been waiting for this moment again so I can share it with you guys. I have my loop rods right here. And I always keep my hair tools in my Shein bags. I say that in most of my videos too, guys, if you don't know, that when you order from Shein.com or any company that has like these cute Ziploc bags, don't throw them away. You can keep them and store your hair tools in them. And I do that and it works perfectly for me. Okay, so if you guys don't know what loop rods look like, I'll just take them out the bag now. I have two different sizes. Here's this one and this one. I don't remember the sizes, but if I can find them, I'll pop them up on the screen for you guys. I got these from Amazon, so I'll definitely have it linked below where you can buy them too. But these are what loop rods look like, and we'll be using these today. Now, I know what you're wondering, like, how does this work? How is it going to stay on our hair? Why is it called loop rods? I know you guys probably have 1,001 questions, but hang in there because I'm going to explain everything. Alright, so guys, before we get started, you might see me drinking my hair juice throughout this video. Yes, this is my homemade hair juice. I created it right in my kitchen. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I will tag the video on how I made this and what this is right here. You guys can click on it now or at the end of the video and in the description below so you can't miss it. But this stuff, guys, I've made it myself, and I'm telling you, my hair is pretty full and pretty thick, and it's actually growing down my back because of my hair juice. And I put it in the freezer so it's ice cold. Oh, it tastes so good. The ingredients that I use in my hair juice are linked to actually hair growth, so you guys will have to definitely check out the video to see what ingredients I'm using, and why I'm using them is because they're related to hair growth and hair health. So definitely go check out my hair juice video. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what products we'll be using in this video to create these bomb loop rods. And the first thing we're going to be starting off with is my aloe vera juice, and this is in my spray bottle. We'll be using this to re-moisturize the hair. This is the big jug that it comes in, and I just take some out and pour it in here, and then I'm ready to go. But I did get this from my local Trader Joe's, and I'm sure they have them in local grocery stores in your neighborhoods too. And the next product that will be going in is another homemade product of mine, guys, and that is my Ayurveda Mango Butter. Y'all, I fell in love with this mango butter. I made it myself in my very own kitchen. It's been lasting me a long time. I made it a few weeks back, and guys, I did a video on exactly how I did this. I'll have it linked up here and at the end of this video and in the description below if you guys want to check out how to make your very own Ayurveda mango butter. This smells bomb. And the last product that we'll be using today is the main choice. This is the peach black tea and vitamin fusion mousse, and this is again from the main choice. This is honestly one of my favorite mousses just because of how it works, how it shines, how it lasts, how you don't need a lot of it. It's not that sticky effect how some of her other mousses are, so this is definitely going to be a staple in my collection. All right, guys, so let's get to this hair. It's been kind of in this bun hanging out, so we're gonna pull it down, and this is what we're working with today. Anybody want to give me a hand? Okay, so the very first thing that I'm gonna do is break my hair down into 4 quadrants in a snap of a finger. Okay, so now that my hair is broken down into 4 different quadrants, I have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying these loop rods to my hair. So I'm actually going to go ahead and break down the back sections, and then I'll meet you guys in the front because I don't want you guys to miss anything, and the back is boring. All right, y'all, so I am back, and the back of my head is completed. I'll actually go ahead and turn around for you guys so you can see how it actually looks. Alright, so you guys already know I've been using my aloe vera spray. I've also been moisturizing my hair with my homemade Ayurveda Mango Butter. which smells heavenly, by the way. And I've been going in with the peach black tea. I don't really have a lot left, so I'm like nervous, but we'll be okay. We always finesse and make it work. All right, so you guys ready to see how to put these in? I'm actually going to be doing the pink ones at the top because I don't have a lot of the blue ones left or the green ones left, so I'm just going to go ahead and start using the pink ones now. So the first thing I'm going to do is part my head, and my parts are never clean because my parts never show for the final looks. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take some of my Ayurveda Mango Butter. I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and part off a small section. So the first thing I'm going to do is take me a little swig. Keeps me going. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take my Aloe Vera Spray. And I'm going to also go ahead and detangle a little bit with my detangling brush. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more of my Ayurveda Mango Butter. And I'm going to apply this to the hair shaft and the ends. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with a couple pumps of the peach black tea and vitamin fusion mousse. I just went in with a few pumps. Detangling one more time. Now here comes the fun part, the loop rod. So go ahead and take your end, and what you're going to want to do is wrap it around and make sure the ends are secure. And when I say secure, I mean unraveling it around a few times and then wrapping the additional hair on top of it to make sure it's not coming loose. And then you can just start to wrap. This reminds me of a perm rod set or even flexi rods. It's super easy. Now that it's rolled up all the way to the top, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in place. And there's your loop rod. Okay, let's do that one more time. Go ahead and take your section of hair. The closer I get to the front, the smaller I want my parts to be because that will give me the most definition. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and spray my aloe vera juice. And go ahead and detangle. Next, I'm going to go ahead and lock in that moisture. Taking a couple pumps. Detangling one more time, and now we can start to twist. I'm going to make sure my head is straight out. I'm going to go ahead and place it like this and start to wrap the ends. Y'all, I am finally done. These are my loop rods. They are installed in my hair and everything is just everywhere right now. I just finished doing my hair, but I'm so happy I finally got this completed. I did take my time, so we shall see. Fingers crossed. Guys, I'm about to head to bed, but I will take these down in the morning or sometime tomorrow so you guys can see the final looks. I'm excited. I'll see you guys in the morning. Deuces. Up guys, okay, I am back. It is the morning and my hair is dry. I'm not gonna lie, it's been about 2 days since I had these in because I didn't have anywhere to go or anything to do yesterday, so therefore I left them in to make sure they were dry. So I know they're 100% dry. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to take these down properly so you can get the perfect spiral and the perfect curl. Guys, if you start to unravel these and feel as though they're not dry, you can touch them and feel, hey, these are a little bit wet still, put them back in. And if you have somewhere to go, I would either advise you to put a headscarf on, or if you have to take them out, go ahead. But I'm gonna let you know now, if they are not 100% dry, the curl will not turn out right. It's going to immediately start to frizz as the moisture leaves your hair. So try to make sure they're 100% dry before you start taking them down. All right, so here is the first one. I don't know where to start. We'll just start with this one so I can show you guys. So here's the clip right here. All you're gonna want to do is just pop it out. Super easy, and make it straight. Now this reminds you of like a flexi rod, and just I start to unravel a little bit, and I'm just kind of like unraveling it, and the curl is staying on still. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm unraveling the curl. There we go. All right, so that's how it looks. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll knock out the back and then meet you guys in the front so you can see what I'm doing. All right, y'all, so I took out the back section just a little bit, but I'm gonna start doing it on camera so you guys can see how I'm doing it. Now, again, like I said, all you wanna do is just take your loop rod, pop it open so it's straight. I twist so it's not too tight at the root, and then I start to unravel, just like a perm rod or a flexi rod. You want to just start to unravel in the opposite direction that you put them in. And once you do these, it'll actually be easier than me trying to explain it, but there is your loop rod, and we're going to go ahead and separate this into some pretty spirally curls. All right, let's keep going. Y'all, they are all taken out. Now, I know they're looking a little bit wild right now because I need to unravel them, make them actually look like a curl. But let's go ahead and start that process because it is going to take a little while. We're going to unravel each curl and make them look phenomenal. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'll be using some oil just right on my fingertips so we don't pull or tug at the hair. It's gonna glide right through with all that oil on our hands. To separate them, I'm just pulling them apart. That's it. And maybe doing some raveling too. So pull and ravel in the direction that the curl is going. Those were just 2 curls, and I turned them into like 10. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the whole section. But so far, so good. My hair is done, like 100% finally completed, and I'm so happy because one, they're 100% dry, they're super shiny, they're gonna last me a very long time. I mean, these curls ain't going nowhere. They're so cute. I feel like a Barbie doll, or like one of those like dolls that kids play with the pretty hair. We're gonna be having a lot of fun with this hair. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my Instagram, because that's where I show you guys like my daily routines that I'm doing throughout the day. My YouTube is more for how to do my hairstyles and for tutorials and demos, but my Instagram is more for like daily things. So if you guys want to see how I'm styling my hair daily, go to my Instagram and check it out. Check me out my story. You can follow me. I'm as always Aaliyah on all platforms. So I'm happy, guys. I already knew this was going to turn out great. Loop rods are one of my favorite rod sets to do with natural hair, because the hairstyle will just last you all week. You don't have to worry about it. You could throw on a bonnet at night, take it off in the morning, shake it out, and go. So that's why I love loop rods. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll even show you the back. The curls ain't come tuck butt. Alright guys, so if you're thinking about doing this hairstyle, I definitely encourage you to. Super affordable. You can use them over and over and over again. They're not disposable or anything like that. You can use them over and over again and have no problems whatsoever. I'm so happy. I don't even know what hairstyle I'm going to do today. You can literally rock any hairstyle with this. This is too cute. If I wanted bangs, I could do bangs. If I wanted everything back, I can put everything back. If I wanted anything in a bun or high up, like a half up, y'all, I'm gonna have me a lot of fun with this hairstyle. But guys, that's just about it. I am gonna let you guys go. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments or in my DMs. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel, because you guys are super helpful with that. After this video, you can continue to look at some of my other videos as well. I do tons of curly hairstyles on my channel, so you guys can go and check them all out. But guys, I'm out of here. My name is Aaliyah. This is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.